Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 14th, and this is my analysis of the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I still think there's a pretty good likelihood this is a W. I think this is three waves down for an X, three waves up for W, three waves down for X, should lead to one, two, three waves up for a wave C of wave Y. And the A should be a trend, and the C should be a trend on shorter time frames. Most likely it will go up and take out these highs. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm still looking at this as an A. I think there's a WXY for the wave B. If that's true, then that makes this a wave 1, that makes this a wave 2. I still think there's a very good likelihood that this is, over the coming weeks and months, going to continue the uptrend for a 3, a 4, and a wave 5, which this should be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, which is a wave C of that WXY pattern like I was showing on the monthly. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think we already possibly have the end of an ABC. It definitely looks like we do. I think this 5 waves up is a 1. I think this correction down is a wave 2. We have a nice impulsive up with a breaker structure. That should be a subdivision 1 of 3. This should be a subdivision 2 of 3. I think over the coming weeks, this is just going to keep on trending up, making higher highs, higher lows in a wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think that this right here is possibly a complete ABC correction. Definitely three waves down, definitely a Fibonacci bounce. It looks to me like the trend is up, and it looks to me like the trend more likely will just continue up. The Aussie has been a very strong pair out of all the dollar pairs, so this might be a really good one to look for longs at the end of pullbacks, hopefully for the continuation of what is a wave 3 on the much longer time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we do have some dollar news coming out this afternoon, so definitely be careful. If this actually goes up to these highs and then the dollar news causes an impulsive move down, you might want to get out because at that point it might even turn into like a flat pattern like ABC down, ABC up of B, ABC down of A, and then possibly make 5 waves down for a wave C going down to one of these lower fib levels before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. But I don't think I would be too keen on going short unless it made a very, very impulsive engulfing move to the downside, because to me this looks like a little ABC, this looks like a bigger ABC. This may be more likely to just keep on trending up, making that series of high, low, high, low, high, low, and as long as it continues to make that series of high lows, I would definitely be doing nothing but looking for longs, especially on shorter than the 1 hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.